Hi children, today we will start a new topic, increase or decrease as percent and exercise 8.3 question number 3 and 4. Okay, now we already studied percentage is used to compare to quantities and percentage means what? Per 100 or you can say out of every 100. And if sometimes if there is an increase or decrease in certain quantity, so we understand it in a better way if you expressed in percent. So, how do we find the percentage increase and percentage decrease? So, there is a formula for finding percentage increase and percentage decrease. What is the formula? Amount of change by original amount, or you can say base into 100. How will we find the percentage decrease? Amount of change by original amount or base into 100. And how did you get this formula? That you will study later. Okay. So, just study this formula. What is the formula for finding percentage increase? Amount of change by original amount into 100. So, here this amount of change, what do you mean by this amount of change? Amount of change means, or you can say how much change happened upon the original amount. So, we can modify amount of change. How will we find it? Increased value minus original value. So, for finding percentage increase, what amount of change? How will we find amount of change? Increased value minus original value. So, in percentage decrease, how will we find amount of change? Original value minus decreased value. Okay. So, here, so this is amount of change. This is amount of change in percentage decrease. How will we find? Original value minus decreased value. But for percentage increase, how will we find amount of change? Amount of change means increased value minus original value. Okay. So, I will give you one example. The price of petrol increases from rupees 50 to rupees 60, find the increase percentage. So, we have to find the percentage increase here, and what is the original price here? What is the original price? The price of petrol increases from rupees 50 to rupees 60. So, we can take rupees 50 as the original price. So, what is the original price here? Rupees 50. Okay. And the new price, which is the new price? Rupees 60. Okay. New price is rupees 60. And we have to find the increase in price. Increase in price means what? The amount of change. So, how much change happened upon the original amount? So, how will we find increase in price? You can say the increased value. What is the formula? Increased value minus original value. Oh, that means new price minus original price. So, what is the answer? 60 minus 50. What is the answer? Rupees 10. Rupees 10. 60 minus 50. What is the answer? Rupees 10. And we have to find the percentage increase. Percentage increase here. Percentage increase. So, what is the formula? Amount of change by original amount into 100. Amount of change. Here amount of change means what? Increase in price. So, what is the increase in price? 10 by, what is the original amount here? Original amount is 50. 10 by 50 into 100. So, what is the answer you will get? 10 by 100 into 50. Just solve it children. What answer you will get? Just cancel the 0. So, 100 by 50, 100 by 5. What is the answer? 20. So, what does it mean children? 20%. So, we can say that the fuel prices have increased by 20%. So, what is the meaning? The fuel prices have increased by 20%. I hope this answer is clear. So, here the amount of change means you can say the increase in price. So, how much change or how much increase happened upon the original amount. I hope this is clear now. So, what is the answer? Percentage increase is equal to 20%. That means the fuel prices have increased by 20%. I hope this answer is clear. Now, move to the next question. The population of a city decreased from 25,000 to 24,500. So, 25,000 here 25,000 is the original population in that city. So, original population of the city we can write it as 25,000. 25,000 and it decreased from 25,000 to 24,400. So, we can say decreased population in the city is 24,500. I hope it is clear, and we have to find the percentage decrease here. That means percentage decrease. Before finding percentage increase, first we have to find out the amount of change. Here amount of change means what? Decrease in population. How will we find the decrease in population? The original population minus the new one. Okay, so how will we find 25,000 minus 24,500. So here decrease in population, or you can write amount of change. What change happened? So amount of change you can write. Decrease in population means that is the amount of change here. So how will we find 25,000 minus 24,500? What is the answer? 500. And we have to find the percentage decrease here. What is the formula, children? Amount of change by original amount into 100. So here what is the amount of change here? Amount of change is 500 divided by original amount is what? Original amount is 25,000 into 100. Okay, so amount of change by original amount into 100. Now just solve it. What answer you will get? Is equal to, just cancel the zeros, 2 zeros here, 2 zeros here, 1 zero here, 1 zero here. So 50 by 25. 50 by 25, what is the answer? 2. So we can write 2%. So what is the percentage decrease here? 2%. I hope it's clear. So 50 by 25, what answer you will get? 2%. Okay. I hope this answer is clear now. Just go through the answer one more time. What is given there in the question? Population of a city decreased from 25,000 to 24,500. So original population is given there, decreased population is given there. First we have to find out the amount of change. So for finding amount of change, what is the formula? Original value minus the decreased value. That means original amount minus the decreased value by first we find out the amount of change, you will get the answer 500. After that you find out percentage decrease. Percentage decrease, what is the formula for finding percentage decrease? Amount of change by original amount into 100. So here the amount of change is 500. 500 divided by 25,000 into 100. Just cancel the zeros, you will get 50 by 25. Just do the division, you will get the answer 2%. I hope this answer is clear. So percentage decrease is equal to 2%. Now move to the next question. Arun bought a car for rupees 3,50,000. So that is the cost price of the car, or you can say that is the original value of that car. Okay. So the next year the price went up to 3,70,000. So first we will find that increase in price, or you can say amount of change, how much change happened upon the original amount. So how will we find that increase in price? Increase in price. Increase in price, or you can write amount of change. Amount of change. How will we find amount of change here? The new value minus original value. New value, what is the new value here? 3,70,000 minus, what is the original value? 3,50,000. 3,50,000. So what is the answer? Rupees 20,000. So we got the amount of change as 20,000. Now we have to find the percentage increase. Percentage increase. So what is the formula, children? Always write formula, amount of change by original amount into 100. So what is the amount of change here? Amount of change is, that means increase in price, that is 20,000 divided by original amount is 3,50,000 into 100. Okay, just cancel the zeros. Here 2 zeros, here 2 zeros. So what you will get? 200 divided by is equal to 200 by 35. Just divide by 5. What you will get? 40 by 7. 40 by 7. Just do the normal long division. 40 divided by 7. What answer you will get? 5 times 35, 5. So what is the answer? 5 by 7% we can write. Quotient remainder by divides 5 by per percent. That means there is an increase of 5 by 7% in the price. Okay, there is an increase. So there is an increment of 5 by 7% in price. I hope this is clear. So first you find out the amount of change correctly. So for finding the percentage increase, amount of change by original amount into 100, just substitute the value and solve it, you will get the percentage increase. I hope this topic is clear for everyone. That's all for today. Thank you.